presenting a pre-owned 2018 Volkswagen Golf. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.